Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Now I am doing this video especially for this guy. Okay, ready? Let's start. Okay, first just wave. 1 and 2. Okay, ready? Once again just look at clearly. 1, 2, then 3 and 4. Okay, ready? Once again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, ready? Let's do once again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3 and 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, right hand and the right leg. Ready? 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, then third step. Ready? There is your hand hold, then 1, 2. Okay, just total circulation. Just 1, 2. Okay, ready? Once again, let's start beginning. Ready? 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then stop. Then your right leg and left hand. First, 1. Nothing is there. Just leg up and up. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, just move. Okay, with your leg. First 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, ready? And then your opposite side. First 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, ready? Once again. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, once again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, start. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then just do right leg and left leg. Okay, look at just kick and back. Ready? 1 and close. 2 and close. Ready? Once again. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2. Ready? Let's do both again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, just kick. Kick. Ready? Once again. 5, 6, 7, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, then just sit up. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, just your hands. 1, 2, 3, go. This just same circle. Ready? First 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, just a small circle. Ready? 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, go. Okay, ready? Let's start once again. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, go. Ready? Let's start beginning.